We got a week to help people out. Anyway, Your Honor, we come before you. If you remember, we had on your docket last Friday, Louis White. This was a.
Oh, that's right.
And
the fugitive case.
He'd been in custody for a couple of days. He had processed. He got processed. We're before you today. I'm going to pass it over to the learning counsel for the state.
Kim?
Unfortunately, it doesn't get any better for you, Judge. So I did a little digging. Turns out that the SPIN number and the FBI number that connected to this face with this government name is not the same number that they attached to the warrant. So what happened was the Wisconsin warrant is the correct one, and it is with the correct FBI number. However, this face doesn't attach to the right one. It is, however, the same face for the warrant. So they do have the right guy. We just need to update our sheriff's office system with the correct FBI number because it has all the other identifiers connected to it, which is why when he was arrested for terroristic threat back in 2020, it didn't flag the fugitive case. So whomever arrested him now looked up enough independent identifiers, HPD, to find out it is the correct person. So it is the right warrant, and I even showed Mr. Monk's name picture.
What on earth are you doing talking to someone in the box? Take a seat. You got to go check in, and then someone will come talk to you.
I was worried. I thought at first you were talking to me.
But that's why I didn't flag it in 2020. But it is valid. And unfortunately, to Mr. Monk's dismay, I also showed him a photograph of his initial booking photo in 2000.
He looked like Gene Simmons.
Strikingly similar to our defendant here.
We're not going to contest the fact that that is him.
What do you want at the end of the day? You want a bond?
I want a bond. And this case is.
And so
the case is 24 years old.
So and I'm using that to my advantage. The fact that this is an FTA, this isn't a 2B warrant. So at some point, he went in front of a judge or a magistrate. He went in front and guaranteed to come back. And in 24 years, he did not come back for the FTA, contempt of court, and the fact that he has a robbery, 2 continuing delinquency, and a theft. And so the fact that he didn't resolve them after signing the conditions, originally going in front of the court, I take that as a strike against, well, not Mr. Monks, but the defendant.
Well, I
Hold on, we bring him out.
Absolutely.
Deputy, do you mind bringing someone out, please? What's the last name again? Mike? White.
And Your Honor, I clearly understand Mr. Kim's position. The situation is that we just want to go back and get it resolved. I mean,
how do we know he's going to go back? It's been 24 years.
He's been here 4 years. He has 4 kids. His family is here. I've indicated to him, just go back, because do you think they're going to want to go forward on a 24-year-old? And what was it, contributing to the delinquency of a minor? And he was 17 at the time this happened.
I would imagine the robbery is going to take a little bit more of their attention than
I don't understand how they could never put 2 and 2 together. How many priors has he had since that initial case?
Other than those, I mean, just a terroristic threat. And so that's what I mean is when they had him in the system, or they have him in the system for terroristic threat, they put the incorrect FBI number, which is linking everything else. That's why no one caught it, because they're going off of the system. There are information already in the system. So if you're flagging with this number, it does look like it doesn't have anything.
But fingerprinting should.
I don't know, but because I was waiting to see if there was anything else from the back end of it, but obviously that would require him to be fingerprinted here, bring in the experts, and then request from there for a governance warrant. That's time that I don't think is necessary, especially when showing the photo to Mr. Monk that it is the same.
I hate it when you have the photo.
So have you reached out to Colorado?
No, Wisconsin.
Wisconsin.
I'm sorry. Is it?
This one
I have here. It's wanted. It's Malik White, right?
No, that's a different. No, sorry.
That would be a different one.
Yes.
Oh, it's Louis White.
Louis White. He's also AKA Tommy Mitchell, and he also has a number of other AKs. But
he has different stage names.
Morning, Mr. White.
Hello, Your Honor.
How's jail? Shh. How's jail? Good. The worse a jail visit is, the higher likelihood you have of actually considering when a judge tells you to do something that you will actually do it, right? You, my friend, have been on the lam for 24 years.
Sir.
20. I don't think we've ever had someone with that kind of just.
no, this is a record.
I don't want the record. I don't want it. But this was also unusual because they had a misidentification of an FBI number. So he's 2 for 2.
But he's got to know at some point you can't just continue to run that. You know, the long arm of the law is at some point.
Yes.
It's it, right?
Absolutely. But as I said, Your Honor, he's here. He's got his family here. His son is here. He has 4 kids, and he's working. And I've told him that he must go to Wisconsin, and they're going to hire an attorney up there. I bet you a dime to a dollar.
Why haven't they hired a lawyer already?
I have an attorney.
That question, and to try to figure out
Well, I mean, Your Honor, I don't know, so you remember practicing law.
Sure.
Sometimes they just put their head in the sand.
And I guess at that point, the counsel is to be proactive
Yes.
because you know that. So Dave, what do you think?
Well, just
I have a hard time giving someone a bond that's been on the land for 24 years. I'm going to say that now. I really do, Mike. As much as I love you and appreciate you and your tenacity.
Yes, sir, and I'm gonna be tenacious because
Yeah.
24 years, he was here 4 years ago. They took him into custody on the terroristic threat, a misdemeanor, and it's done. I mean, and I understand, he's still here. And so I hear what you're saying. I just know that if you're taking care of your kids, if you're living in the same place for a period of time, I think that he's gonna take care of his business. The purpose of bail is to ensure his appearance in court and to secure his appearance at that. If we leave him in jail here, and that's the alternative.
Well, it's not leaving him. It's just we are now going to ensure that Wisconsin gets their man.
No,
Because
we're
if-
ensuring that he's available for Wisconsin to get him. We don't know if Wisconsin's gonna come.
they're gonna,
Say it again.
they confirmed the warrant flag. They're intending on coming unless they change their mind in the last 24 hours. I mean,
Right. Yeah, I mean, everybody says that.
I can't imagine
I
after
can't-
24 years, they're going to say, you know what, just forget it.
Well, I can't imagine prosecuting a delinquency of a child.
Well, one of the cases is a robbery.
Yeah, but we don't know the extent of it. It's not aggravated,
It's
right? We don't
that's
know.
not what we fight here.
No, I understand. I just think he should be entitled to a bond. He's gonna take care of his business. He goes and takes care of it now. You give him 2 weeks.
I promise.
Mike.
Judge.
I'm sorry?
Promise.
Yeah, you promised before.
When he was
When you were 17, and then, you know, the thing is Mr. White, don't try to throw other people under the bus. That's not cool. It's all on you. And for you to try to blame it on anyone else is just disingenuous, man. The case is, it's 24 years. You've had 365 days for over 24 years. You've had that in the little back of your mind thinking, God, you know, out of sight, out of mind doesn't work with the law.
I've actually hired an attorney prior to this in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Was working on a bill with the district attorney's office there. Okay, I hired him. He's been hired under $5,000. I paid him to contact to work a deal with the district attorney's office and told me he was working a deal with them.
What's his name?
Hold on. Is my son here?
Yeah.
No.
He knows his name. I have his number.
It's irrelevant. It doesn't matter. The name just, what matters is action. You know, you telling me something is going to go in there, go out that ear, because I know that you've done this before and you've never followed up. I can't in good conscience give you a loan, man. It's 24 years.
My son, I have a 2-year-old son. He's going to Texas Children's. He has a genetic disorder. Yeah, I can't leave here because his life depends on it. He has a rare genetic mutation. His name is Mariano.
Shh.
He has a rare genetic mutation, and his condition is life or death. I've seen the best doctors in the country for him. I came here for him to treat my baby. His name is Mariano. His doctor is Gary Clark, neurologist at Texas Children's.
That's ironic. Gary Clark is my running buddy for 30 years. He'll be back in San Diego next week.
I know Gary Clark.
I understand. And the good thing that you have,
It's just for the baby, sir. I don't care about the results.
thankfully, that you have a loving sister and you have a loving son that are willing to help you out so that baby's not getting thrown under the bus. But I'm not going to allow you to sit here and use your baby as a means of trying to get a bond when you've been on the land for 24 years. I'm just not going to do it.
Just tell your story.
Yeah, Mayor, please, the court.
Sure.
Based on what I see, how the tea leaves look like they're rolling, maybe we come back here in 15 days. Because I don't think he's going to sign. He may sign the waiver.
Oh, he's going to refuse?
Well,
I mean, if so, let us know now so we can get the governor's warrant, because the thing is then there's going to be another 90 days.
I understand that.
You
I'd
know?
like to have a short period of time to talk to him about whether he wants to wait.
Of course, he hasn't waived yet.
No, he's refused.
Okay, you got to understand that.
We carry him till tomorrow. Okay.
I mean, there's no, but
I mean, I know, I can tell the family now, the judge is not going to set the bond. You have 2 options.
I love you, Mike. I really do. But 24 years, that's unreasonable.
It's pretty impressive.
For me to be able to just, it's,
No, I got it. We'll see you tomorrow.
okay.
It's a pleasure. Brother, see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
All right.
Hey.
We were just approaching on for life.
Okay.
I talked to his attorney up in Wisconsin, and he said that he had initially reached out to him 4 years ago. And then he fell off the face of the earth for a period of time. So it wasn't as if he forgot it completely, but his attorney's advice up there was go ahead and, hit the waiver, reschedule the case. If they come to get him, we'll deal with it up here. If not, that's how that is.
They've indicated that they want it.
Yeah, but he knows the folks in Dane County, the county that's in. And so he said he would.
You mean he knows the officers there?
Yeah, I mean, he practices law there. It's a small county.
Oh, no. Okay. I thought you were talking about the lawyer says he knows people. I thought you meant Mr.
No.
White.
What he's saying is that
He doesn't think they'll come?
he said they won't come to Illinois.
Well, if they don't come, then he gets released. But
Exactly.
bring out Mr. White, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
But if that's the case, he still needs to take care of it.
And that's what I want him. I'm going to impart to him now that no matter, even if you get released,
And do you automatically reset this case for 15 days or how does
Yes.
it? Okay. So Ms. Tang, you'll take care of that?
then in the interim, if we figure out something new, Mike,
Mhm.
we'll let you guys know so that you guys are in the know of everything that happens.
Absolutely. So, where will you guys be for Thanksgiving? Is it your house?
Yeah.
At your house, yeah, does she have?
No, usually at Babish's house,
Okay.
because she loves to cook and she's great. So we just go to her house. My wife's mother's well, unless it's stuffing. It's great. Oh man.
Do you have gravy on it or is it good enough?
No, gravy. She makes a mushroom gravy like this. Like you start salivating. It's like, I can't.
What you
2 weeks, right?
20 cups, yes.
Yeah.
20 cups roll.
Wait,
That's good.
Mr. White, I want you to understand a couple things.
Sure.
Your lawyer has been tenacious in trying to get you a bond, as is your family.
That's Mike. Okay.
But it has nothing to do with them. It has to do with me, and more importantly, it has to do with you. And you have to understand that you can't continue the way things are going for 24 years and expect a good result.
You're right.
So understand that that's just now. I don't know if Wisconsin is going to come get you or not. You have to understand that this warrant, even if they don't come get you and we end up releasing you, that warrant is still active and that warrant will always remain active until you go back and take care of it. So let's play devil's advocate that they don't come get you. We release you in 2 weeks. If I were you, I would immediately go up to Wisconsin and don't just call your lawyer. Okay, can you take care of this for me? No, you have to actually physically go there.
I wanted to go there. I would actually hold on. Give me 1 second, please. Don't get mad at me. Please let me say
No
something.
one's mad at you.
No. Just let me say something, please.
Sure.
It's been very devastating for me. But
Shh.
my plan was to go up there. I'm not crying for myself. I'm crying for my kids. I don't care about me. I don't care if you put me in jail first in my life. Don't bother me. I don't care about myself. I care for my kids. I never did anything in 24 years. Never robbed nobody. I never stole anybody. I was buying and selling diesel truck parts. I was the only one in my family that went legitimate, sir. The only one that went legitimate. The only one that didn't commit crimes. In 24 years, I was the only one. And you can verify this. And now I care for my son, both of them. One is sick. And that's what I'm devastated about. So they want to fry me and let them eat me. Whatever. They got me now.
You shouldn't have that kind of mindset. The mindset that you should have is that, look, I'm a father now.
I don't-
When you're single, you have no response. You can do whatever you want.
I don't
When you get married, your life is about your wife.
like.
When you have kids, your life's not yours.
Can I tell you something else? I want you to know. I want you to know truth. I want you to know truth.
Sure.
My brother did all this. And my brother, Tom, who I informed to the authorities in Wisconsin where he was. I spoke to Chris Freeman, the district attorney, that I told all this.
You got to understand, we live stream, so I wouldn't talk about the case. Don't.
No, I'm sorry. No,
Just don't.
no. I want to
Hey,
take.
hurt yourself, man. Don't.
Okay. My brother, and this not had to do with the case.
Okay.
This has nothing to do with the case. My brother had an affair with my wife. I got married, has a baby. I was 16 years old. Okay. Because of this, sir, this is why it's happened. All these issues. I want you to know that.
And cut ties.
I did.
If you have someone like that, you cut ties. But the only thing I'm trying to impart to you is that this warrant will always remain active
I
until
want
you
to
go.
fix it.
So if they end up letting you out, I would immediately, and look, Mr. White, don't get on a plane. If you try to get on an airplane, they're going to arrest you. You got to find an alternate means of getting down there. All you have to do is post bond, and then that lifts that warrant. That's all you got to do.
They'll put a big bond on me.
Well, I don't know. I mean, is there a bond set over there? Do you guys know?
Paid $102,000 cash bond.
I don't see a bond on this one.
There's no bond that's set.
Yeah.
When you go down there, you can ask them for a bond, and then that's how it works. But
I'm not the person that this charge made me to be, that I promise you.
just
Not.
get out of here, make us proud. That's all we're asking, you know?
I mean, please go, on the 27th is the day he's supposed to come back. I don't want to delay his time anymore because I will be out of town. I don't think he would have a problem. We could have someone here if we needed to. but-
No, we don't know. We don't need someone here for the end. You do want to waive extradition, right, though, Mr. White?
I signed a paper, yes.
Okay, all right, guys, we wish you the best of luck. If they take you, great. If not, go up there, okay?
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna, I was gonna do it anyway. I was trying. I tried before, but now we're going to do it now.
All right, Mr. White, come on.
Thank you.
Your Honor,
Mr.
it's always a pleasure. Ms. Kane?
He's here.
Thank you.